Meaning of halma.
halma,
Halma.
halma,
Halma. Halma is a strategic board game that originated in Victorian England in the late 1800s. It is played on a square board with a grid of 256 squares, and can be played by 2 or 4 players. The aim of the game is to move all your pieces from your starting corner to the opposite corner of the board before your opponents do the same. Players can jump over each other's pieces, creating chains of jumps and strategic blocking moves. Halma requires skill, foresight and planning to outwit your opponents and win the game.